I dream I know deep up my feelings for you. Watch them grow, perceive, devote.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Obiday TV. So in today's video, I'm going to cook long soup, which is the typical Chinese soup, the papaya soup. So here are the ingredients. We have here pork bone. This is 770 grams. And this one is chicken feet, 8 pieces chicken feet. Papaya, ripe papaya. This one is 1 bean, 80 grams. This is the sweet dates, 3 pieces of sweet dates. Peanut, 80 grams. And also the tangerine peel. So before that, i-wash muna natin i-wash and soak these beans and everything. Wash and soak, and then the papaya gonna peel off the skin. Yeah, and the water, 8 cups of water. So everything are wash, soak it for a while. Yeah, and then this tangerine peel, it should be remove the white particles on the skin. This one, remove it guys, because this one is very bitter. And also before we put the pork, we have to blanch it for a moment, for a while. And also the chicken feet. Kumulo na yung tubig. So ilagay natin yung chicken feet. For seconds only, and then take it away. Okay. Enough na yan. I think it's enough, and then put it in the water. Put it. And also blanch the pork for a while. I think that's enough. So I think it's enough. So turn it off. So let's put it on the water. All the ingredients in the water, tapos ng balatan, and then remove natin yung seeds niya, tapos ihalo sa tubig. So ito na yung papaya, sarap kainin. Yan. So this tangerine peel must be scraped very thoroughly, kasi yung lasa nito mapait. That's why ng Chinese cream. Ang galing yung puti niya. So, pag wala nang script na puti, parang ganyan na yung tsura niya, malinis na siya. Pwede niyo na siyang ilagay sa tubig. Ayan. Tsaka, yung papaya, tsaka yung mani. Yung papaya. Yan, sa papaya. Boil it into 2 hours. This soup is very good for the skin. Yung chicken cube is source of collagen. Papaya is good for the skin, right? Puno na siya. So, tanggalin lang yung mga nasa ibabaw, yung mantika. 2 hours, after 1 hour or after 30 minutes, pwede siyang lagyan ng asin, isang spoon or half of the teaspoon. Yes. Okay. See you guys later. This is almost done. So when you see that there is an oil, you take it away. So this one, just try it. Very yummy. See? It's very yummy. Very healthy and very yummy. Thank you guys for watching.